Hi guys, Fonzie here from GMMotorsport Australia Speed. We've got a drift car. It's for a competitor and yeah, one of our good customers actually. So it's a rebuilt GMMotorsport engine. It's got the CNC LS1 heads. It's got the Uncle Chop, good for actual drift racing and any circuit racing realistically. Trusty Ramjet 2. Yeah, got some big 4-in-1 headers on it. Yeah. It's got whatever tyres he's got on the back. Let's hit the rolls and see what Uncle Chop can do in their little size 5.71. Let's go. Okay, great result. And great result I can still get out of a caged car, so that's good news. 6.7, 315 rear wheel kilowatts. We'll have a heap of torque as well. So went back initially because these things are getting old now. I had a fuel pump initially that was no good, and luckily we dynoed it and you can catch that. You can see our tuning on the way. So yeah, that's our end result and some good torque there as well. So guys, we don't have to do it all. These guys fitted it, we built it, they fitted the fuel pump. We can tune it, just like I've got a mail order there, or I've got a couple of dealer tunes on Mustangs and Rams to do. At the end of the day, if you're part of our dealer network, you can basically get some good stuff and get some good help. You don't have to be just our dealer network, you can be a trade client. We sell you know, black label stuff that's rebadged and everything else. We help a lot of people around Australia and the world as well. So guys, you want some good products, give us a call.